Fix in 5. Got a P0512? Let's break it down, what it is, why it happens, and how to fix it. Your car is telling you it's not okay. Believe it. First, the symptoms. Vehicle will not crank or start, no starter motor engagement, clicking sound when ignition turned on, dashboard warning light illuminated. Now the most likely causes. Faulty starter motor. Defective starter solenoid. Broken or corroded starter wiring. Failed ignition switch. Defective PCM or ECU starter control circuit. What does it cost? Roughly Euro 120, 350 doing it yourself, or Euro 240, 470 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How to fix it. Clean and tighten battery terminals. Replace battery if voltage is insufficient. Replace starter motor. Replace starter solenoid. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask. Is it safe to drive with P0512? Driving with P0512 active is not recommended. This is a high-severity issue that could lead to engine damage, safety risks, or sudden vehicle shutdown. Have the vehicle inspected immediately. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Gets cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0512. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.